everybody, Sean O'Kane here with Chip Estimate TV, where we bring you the latest trends and information in the world of the EDA industry. There is the premier event that takes place at the Santa Clara Convention Center toward the end of October. And of course, I'm referring to ARM Techcon, ranked as one of the fastest growing events by Expo Magazine. My guest today is Eric Plouffe, Director of Corporate Marketing with ARM. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to join us on the show. This year, the theme at ARM Techcon is Where Intelligence Connects. Now, there is, I noticed there's a little bit of change in the format, the event format, regarding hardware and software integration. Maybe you can talk a little bit about that.
Sure, I'd be happy to. As you mentioned, the theme is Intelligence Connects, and it is all about that connection. And so what we decided to do this year is combine all the activities, bring the hardware community, the software community together, and really understand how they work synergistically to optimize the development of ARM-based technology.
Okay, and a number of things that are happening at the conference, presentations. You got tracks, demos, and a little mini conference within the conference. Can you talk a little bit about that?
Absolutely. One of the things going on right now is getting started and getting to market quickly, and Embed does exactly that. It's an entire design system designed for MCUs and the Internet of Things. And it's a completely different way to go about designing, but a very effective way. So we have an entire mini conference within our conference focused on that subject alone.
Now the keynotes include Simon Segars with ARM, of course, HP, and a presenter from the TED conference. So maybe you want to elaborate on it. It's really cool.
Excited to have Daniel Kraft there this year. He will be talking about how technology is really transforming medicine. Simon will focus on a broader range of transformational technology. And then on day 3, we turn the attention to the Internet of Things and how we're bringing intelligence to just about every single device on the planet and changing the way people live.
Yeah, it's amazing. It's going to be fun, too, and I'm really actually excited to be there and attending. So there's, the schedule is once again packed this year. Any other events that are happening that I haven't mentioned?
Yeah, there's quite a few, actually, and if you want to see the whole lineup, you should go to the website, armtechcon.com. But a few things that you don't want to miss is we have our ARM Accreditation Engineering Program going on. We have a Software Developers Conference going on. We're co-located with Lenaro. So regardless of what your area of focus is, there'll be plenty there to keep you busy for 3 days.
So join ARM on October 29th through the 31st at the Santa Clara Convention Center. For more details, to register today at armtechcon.com and use the promo code ChipEstimate.TV for $100 off on an all-access pass or a free Expo pass. Thank you very much for taking time out of your day to join us. And so we're going to take a quick commercial break, and we'll be back with my next guest, Ian Ferguson, Vice President, Segment Marketing with ARM, to talk about the theme at ARM Techcon, Where Intelligence Connects. So thank you very much. We'll be right back.
Thank you.
Hey, Sean O'Kane here with Chip Estimate TV. You all know about the premier event that takes place at the Santa Clara Convention Center toward the end of October. Well, of course, I'm referring to the ARM Techcon, ranked as one of the top 3 must-attend events by events.com. ARM Techcon is the premier annual industry event for developers and engineers who are designing or want to learn how to design low-power, next-generation connected devices based on the ARM architecture. Now, this is a great opportunity to establish key relationships with ARM partners that can help you get your product to market faster. And I'm here to give you a Chip Estimate TV exclusive preview on what's in store for you this year. The event will provide a full spectrum of presentations, tutorials, discussion panels, industry keynotes, demos, and exhibits for both the hardware designer and software developer, targeting ARM-based devices. Well, just a sampling of the activities planned are listed right here. And for all the details, just visit armtechcon.com. and use the promo code ChipEstimate.TV to get $100 off for an all-access pass or a free expo pass. And continue to check in with Chip Estimate TV for more info on ARM Techcon 2013. So join us on October 29th through the 31st at the Santa Clara Convention Center, and we look forward to see you there. My next guest today is Ian Ferguson, Vice President, Segment Marketing at ARM. Thank you very much for joining us today.
Great to be here. Thank you.
So, ARM TechCon this year, October 29th through the 31st, and the theme is called Where Intelligence Connects.
Right.
So you've got a number of conference presentations, including an Embed mini conference, which is pretty cool, and 11 market application tracks, including IoT, Internet of Things. And so according to Cisco, the IoT is expected to connect more than 1 trillion objects by 2020. So this is going to have a profound impact on people's lives, from everything from cities to education, healthcare, households, and even social media. In saying that, how is ARM at the forefront of this new technology?
Well, firstly, whatever the number is going to be, and I can't even get my head wrapped around 1 trillion devices, but whatever it is, it's going to be big, as you say.
Right.
And there's really 3 areas of ARM. Firstly, it's the traditional business of ARM, where we license technology, and you see such a diverse set of things getting connected to the internet that some are small microcontrollers, some are the bigger A-profile cores. So we really believe that, you know, the choice of devices, that technology that we offer is the first starting point. The second, as you mentioned, is Embed, which is really a rapid prototyping tool that allows people to build connected things and get them a web connection and get them up that learning curve and into production quicker. And then the third element is our most recent acquisition, actually. In August, we announced the acquisition of Sensinode, and that's around a set of software stacks and standards that are around connectivity pieces like 6LoWPAN and things like that. So you'll hear elements of all 3 of those at the event.
Very fantastic. So what are the key takeaways for people at this event? It's different this year. I just want to jump in and say it is, as Eric mentioned earlier, it's really changed up. There's a new look and feel to this event and ARM in general.
Yes, and I think the reach of the applications and the marketplaces that we're touching has also expanded. As you say, from very low end around the IoT all the way up into the infrastructure. I think for us, it's the usual theme that one company does not do, cannot do everything. Right. We need collaboration across the industry. We do a small element of a chip, and it's really down to the intelligence of our silicon partners that build the rest of the SoC, and then it's down to the innovation of the software partners and the platform guys that integrate that technology into end products. And so really, TechCon's that place where those different ecosystems, those different elements of the community really come together to go and try and solve problems.
Well said. So join ARM on October 29th through the 31st at the Santa Clara Convention Center. And for more details and to register today, just go to armtechcon.com and use the promo code ChipEstimate.TV for $100 off on an all-access pass or a free expo pass. So thank you very much for taking time and joining me today.
Absolutely.
For Ian Ferguson, my name is Sean O'Kane, and we'll see you next time on Chip Estimate TV.